Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hide your stories and live videos from specific people on the Instagram.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, go to your home page and tap on your username. Click on Edit Profile at the top. Tap on Privacy and Security in the middle of the screen. After that, you should go to the Story section and tap on Edit Story Settings. You should see this Hide Story From section, so tap on it to search for a specific user. So type in their username and after that you should be able to find a person that you want to add to this list, so they won't be able to check out your stories and lives. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.